Thinking of buying a Vitamix blender just because everyone around you swears by it? Friends, family, even your favorite YouTuber? Before you hit that buy button, think again. Is it really worth the $400 plus price tag? Can it handle hot soups, frozen fruit, nut butters, and green smoothies without breaking a sweat? Or is it just another overhyped kitchen gadget with a fancy motor? Here's the truth, most people buy it based on brand reputation alone, but what they don't know might surprise you. In this video, I'm giving you a fully researched, no-fluff review of the Vitamix 5200, breaking down its performance, durability, noise, and overall value. Stick around till the end. This could save you from wasting money or help you make a confident investment in your kitchen. And if you're the kind of person who's ready to ditch $8 smoothie runs and start making restaurant quality blends at home, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. The Vitamix 5200 isn't just a blender, it's like having a commercial kitchen engine right on your counter. Let's start with what truly sets the Vitamix 5200 apart: raw, unrelenting power. This isn't your average kitchen blender. With a 1380 watt motor under the hood, it delivers professional grade performance right on your countertop. That kind of power translates into seamless blending of everything from rock solid frozen fruit and fibrous greens like kale and celery to tough ingredients like whole nuts and even hard grains. Whether you're making a morning smoothie, almond butter, or homemade flour, this machine doesn't just mix, it annihilates. The secret to this power-packed performance also lies in its aircraft-grade stainless steel blades, engineered for durability and precision. These blades aren't just sharp, they're built to maintain their edge over time, even after hundreds of cycles. Speaking of soup, here's where the Vitamix flexes its muscle in a surprising way. Thanks to the high blade speed, it can actually heat up cold ingredients through friction alone. That's right, just toss in your veggies and broth, and about 6 minutes later, you're ladling out steaming hot soup, no stove required. It's a party trick and a dinner solution rolled into one. The 64-ounce container is made from BPA-free Eastman Trite and copolyester, and it's big enough to serve a family or prep for the week. Despite its tall and narrow shape, about 20.5 inches high, it's surprisingly easy to handle. Many customers say they love how it fits comfortably under most kitchen cabinets, even with its height. It weighs in at 10.6 pounds, which gives it a sturdy, no wobbly feel on the counter, important when you're blending something tough. Now, is it easy to use? Absolutely. The variable speed control lets you turn the dial at any time during a blend, giving you full control over texture, whether you want a chunky salsa or a velvety smoothie. There's no fancy digital interface here, just a solid, intuitive design that feels very plug in and go. It's one of the reasons so many people say they're surprised by how easy it is to get professional level results without needing to fiddle with presets. Cleaning up is refreshingly simple too. While it's not dishwasher safe, you won't miss it. Just fill the pitcher with warm water, add a drop of dish soap, run the blender for 30 to 60 seconds, and you're done. The self-cleaning function is honestly a game changer, especially for anyone who's tired of scrubbing sticky blades or digging into hard-to-reach corners. Of course, no blender is perfect. Customers are divided when it comes to the noise level. Some folks say it's quieter than expected given the power, while others say it sounds like a jet engine. The truth probably lies somewhere in between. It's loud, but with power like this, it's to be expected. On the plus side, it's fast, so you won't be blending for long. And here's some peace of mind. The Vitamix 5200 comes with a 7-year full warranty, which speaks volumes about its durability. It's a long-term investment, not a throwaway gadget you'll replace in 2 years. So who's this blender for? It's perfect for anyone who's serious about blending, whether you're a smoothie lover, a meal prepper, or someone looking to make healthier, whole food meals without hassle. If you want reliability, power, and consistent results every single time, the Vitamix 5200 is a solid choice. In short, it's not just a blender, it's a workhorse. If you're ready to upgrade, check the Amazon link below for the latest price and deals. Want more budget options? Watch our video on the best blenders under $100 for powerful picks that won't empty your wallet. Don't